Challenge. It's your girl, Andy Guns. Setting my bars up. Shout out to the whole South Side. Everybody, all the female MCs, all the female, everything. And all y'all niggas. Like, we do this shit too, you heard? I wrote my shit too. I wrote my shit too. Yeah, I'm bad, but I'm savage with it. Your bitch got mad, but I had to get it. Yeah, I'm about this money, so you know I'm winning. And when you see me with them bags, yeah, you know I get it. Yeah, I'm stunting on these dumb bitches. These bitches be mad, I got bodies in the trenches. These niggas be mad, I got a body, all them niggas. You want Birkin bags, but that pussy ain't worth figures. Now you saying you a bad bitch, but you still wishing that you had shit. Fuck with me, I'm a fucking habit. When you want that shit, yeah, you gotta bag it. Yeah, I'm pretty and I'm about to blow. These niggas love the way that I go loco. About to have the city in the chokehold. They call me Andy Guns, but you already know. Ooh, ooh, yeah, that way. Yeah, I'm pretty, but I'm loco. Y'all already know what it is. It's Andy Guns.